Vinny married Barb on the ice in '89. Left her at the altar mid-vow, had a real rod bender. She shook the hook, Vinny never recovered, went home barbless. Back in the '90s, they called me the cold water assassin. Cold-blooded, cold as ice. Fingers all froze up, glasses all froze up, worms all shriveled up. Slow day, real slow day. Fish on! Oh. Hey. He wants back in the hole, I want him in the pan. Oh. Never fish another man's hole. I swear I saw that in the regs. It's probably on page didn't go 20. It's all over but the grilling. Didn't go 20. Fire up the grill. Crank on the fire. Rutster's eating good tonight. We got brookies.